Look, ocean life. Honey means splash the water. Splash, 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 splash. Then, what are the giants of the ocean? It's a blue whale, mommy whale and baby whale. And then dolphins are smart and playful. Wow. Then sharks have lots of shark teeth. Baby shark. Oh, an octopus had 8 arms. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 arms. Have you ever held a shell? Where's Dada? Dada? And Mommy. What the? It's a seahorse. And then, oh, it's a crab and lobster had a hard shell. Pinch, 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 pinch. Oh, it's crab and lobster. Pinch, 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 pinch. Crab. And then, it's a turtle. I have a little turtle. His name is Tiny. And then, it's a fish. Glop, 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 glop. And then, jellyfish have a long tentacles. Ah, the jellyfish, the jellyfish, the jellyfish. Pink, ito. Yellow, blue, green, purple. Wow! Well, what is your favorite animal in the ocean, Hanami? What is your favorite animals? Whale, good job. And then, what more? What more? Crab? Crab? Pinch, 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 pinch. No. Lobster? Pinch, 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 pinch. Wait. Can you dive like a dolphin? Can you pretend to be a starfish? Starfish. How about a fish? Bloop, 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 bloop. Yeah, jellyfish. Jellyfish, the jellyfish, the jellyfish. How about baby shark? Baby shark, doo 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 doo. Baby shark, doo 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 doo. Very good. Finish. Okay. Ang dami yung pinabasa ng libro, oh. Oh. Ayan, oh. Lahat yan. Nabasa ka na, oh. Oh. Okay. Finish na. Oh. Saan pupunta yung anak ko? Oh. Lalabas siya para kumuha ulit ng books. Ay, dalala mo libro. Okay, o sige, basa tayo. I love you. Kiss mo na, Mami. I love you.